Good morning, everyone. Ali's here from Vancouver Financial Network. Today is November 8th, 2020. Thank you all for tuning in. Today, we are gonna announce another commitment of traders report and analyze it for you guys about different markets like a commodity market, the stock market, and Forex market. And it's all for a week ago because every week we are gonna get all the reports from a week ago. So today is like November 8th, but we have the most updated report is gonna be for November 3rd. Let's go to reports to see what they're telling us. All right, let's start with Lean Hog. Lean Hog, we will have like commercial money actually goes to the Lean Hog. They add it to their long position. They just reduce amount the short position. Overall, it doesn't tell us anything, to be honest. But this is very important. Commercial money goes to long position last week, and non-reportable position, they just reduce long and short position because Lean Hog price is kind of pricey for non-reportable positions, but for commercials, they're going to long position. Live cattle, we are long, and look at this. We are long, and commercial money is long as well. So we have position, long position, and commercial money, they added to the long position, short position, they reduce a lot, and that's how we are going with. And another one is lumber. Lumber, you will see here, they just reduce long position and reduce their short position. However, totally they're reducing long and short position, means that money is getting out of the lumber for now, and they are not doing anything with lumber, which is kind of weakness signal or indication for lumber, and no one is gonna take any position either in long or short position for lumber. So that's why we are kind of having no position on lumber. Feeder cattle, you see here, feeder cattle, it was very expensive. It goes to 139, 140 last week, and we were in the money on that. We took our profit last week of the feeder cattle. That was a nice gain for us. And look at this, commercial money, they just flow out of the short and long position. On the either side, they're just pulling their money off the table now. And for the short position, they're just reducing a lot into short position. It means that although feeder cattle goes higher, but commercial money thinks that they are going to see higher prices. However, it's not that temptive. It's not that temptive to take any short position or long position. It's kind of in no man's land round. Okay, Russian ruble, we are not taking any interest on that to see. Let's go to see. Oh, sorry guys. Russian ruble. All right. So here is the wheat. Commercial money, they just added a lot into their short position and to long position. However, overwhelmingly, they are in long position, steal their money into long position. We are waiting for wheat to have a pullback. If wheat have a pullback, then we're gonna jump on board and take a long position. But so far, we are not taking any position. For corn, here is the money. Short position, they added to their short position. However, still they are in long position overall. So for corn is getting pricey. I remember I told you guys about like a 290 something was the price of corn in May, and now it's 400 now. And you will see how corn actually is skyrocketing, and we signal it at the right time. But right now it's kind of pricey, and we are looking for pullback, see how price actually is going. Well, for soybean, here is the soybean. Commercial money, they reduced a lot their short position. However, the short position and long position, both, they're just reducing their money here. So for soybean as well, soybean is expensive. Soybean oil is kind of surprising. They just reduce again from their short position and add to the long position a little bit. And overall, they are in long side rather than short side. So soybean oil, we are expecting prices going higher. For soybean meal, which is another product of soybean meal, they reduced a lot from short position, added to long position. This is very interesting, guys. This is very interesting. They added to their long position. Cotton, here we are very, very long for cotton, and look at this. Commercial money goes to long position, reduce their money from short position. So cotton still goes up. We talk about feeder cattle, we talk about, all right, so here, coca, look at this. We are taking long position just last week, and here is the commercial money. Commercial money goes to long position, and we are with commercial money. Short position, they reduce a lot. So coca, we are expecting price is going much, much more higher than this. However, look at this. Moms and dads at home, they're just adding to their short position, reducing long position. However, commercial money goes to long position. So we'll see how things are going to unfold. Sugar, here is the sugar. Sugar, they add to their long position. And it is very, very huge number. 21,000 contract they just added last week to their long position. Just a little bit to the short position. Overall, they are on the short side. However, long position, they just added, and this is like a bullish signal for us. We will have an eye on this to see if they're gonna change this balance from short side to the long side. Non-reportable positions, there are reducing short position and adding to the long position. It means that everyone actually in bullish for sugar. Coffee, we are taking long position, but coffee, I see this. They just add a lot to their long position and little bit to the short position. So this is very, very nice signal for us for coffee to see if commercial money goes to long position, and we have long position as well. Non-reportable position, there are in long position as well. They added to the long position, just a little bit add to the short position. However, the balance is on the short side, but it's getting changing. It's getting changing soon. So let's go to the Forex market. Here is the Canadian dollar. The Canadian dollar, you will see they add a lot to their short position and a little bit to the long position. However, they are kind of equal or balanced to the long and short. Non-reportable position as well, they are kind of balanced in short and long. So we can say Canadian dollar is gonna be like the same. It's nothing gonna be changed for Canadian dollar, at least based on the commercial money. I'm not saying based on the chart. This is all fundamental data. And Swiss franc, they just added to their long position and reduced short position. And it's totally opposite. The non-reportable position, they added to their short position, reducing a lot from long position. However, this is commercial money is doing vice versa. So we will see how it goes. And let's go to British pound here. British pound, they added to their long position. If you remember last week, they added a lot to their short position, but right now they added a lot to their long position, and overall they are on the long side rather than short side. All right, Japanese yen. Japanese yen, they're adding a little bit to their long position. However, they are very, very on the short side and make it very, very equal. If you remember last week, Japanese yen had like a higher hand on the long side. However, this week the game is changing. The game is going to the short side, and US dollar is gonna get stronger and stronger, it seems that. Euro, let's go to Euro, see how the Euro is doing. So Euro, money is flowing to the Euro, and from the short side, they just cut their positions of the short side, and they're just going to the long side, which is very, very bullish indicator for Euro. Here is the Euro pound. We are not taking care of that. And go to the New Zealand NZD dollar. What is going on? NZD dollar, they're just adding to the long position, reducing short position. Total, they are reducing a lot from short position. It seems that New Zealand dollar is gonna get stronger and stronger. All right, so another one is, I'm not, here is the euro dollar, here is the Bitcoin. Again, Bitcoin had like a tremendous rally last week. However, commercial money goes to short position rather than long position. We'll see, probably Bitcoin will have a pullback or something like that. We don't know yet. I don't get, unfortunately, anything for S&P 500. This is consolidated. This is not index, and it doesn't tell me anything, to be honest. And unfortunately, I can't see any like a long position or short position. This tells me like nothing, to be honest. But based on the consolidated data, we are seeing money is going to the long position, and we had like a tremendous, and this is for October 27th, by the way. This is for 2 weeks ago, even not just last week. Even they didn't update this one. But we can see something like this. S&P Energy, which is kind of like all the energy stocks, they just added to their short position. You know what? Biden is gonna lead the election on that time, and Biden now is elected as a president of the United States. And who is gonna hammer the energy stocks? Lots of regulations coming to the energy stocks, and here is the result for the commercial money. Commercial money goes to short position, and this data unfortunately is for the October 27th. But if President Trump actually won the election, then this game would be changed. But now we have Biden in White House, and Joe Biden, he is not in favor of the energy stocks. That's what I'm telling that, and nothing much more had to do this. All right, so here coming down, financial index. Let's see what is going on with financials. Nothing, barely nothing. Unfortunately, we don't get those information from CFD yet. For industrial index, nothing. You see, they're all blanket. Here, what is this? Here is the utilities, and which is for, oh, utility, actually, they added a lot to the long position. XLU is the ETF for utility, and you will see the total long position is very higher than short position, and this is for utility. All right, have a wonderful weekend, guys. See you on the next video for S&P 500 and the other major indices, technical analysis, and also gold technical analysis. See you soon. Bye-bye.